Other benefits inherent to all KSK Co-op members are the following. There is a medical dental benefit that you can use. It's a medical checkup, including dental, that you can use within the year of your joining. If within 1 year, you're not able to avail of this medical dental benefit, you lose this benefit. There is a burial benefit for both the member and the member's beneficiary, meaning if one of your beneficiaries that you listed down, any of the two that you listed down, passes away, instead of magpatak-patak ang bawat member para magdumamay sa inyo, there is an identified amount, 5,000 for your beneficiary who have passed away. If the member passed away, 10,000 pesos burial benefit will be given to his or her beneficiaries. As of date, there are members who have passed away and their beneficiaries were given 10,000. These are members who had beneficiaries that were taken by the Lord. So the co-op member was given 5,000 pesos. So miski na ho, hindi si Lord ang kumuha sa inyo o ang beneficiary nyo, ibibigay pa rin ang burial benefit. Hospital benefit, only for members. If you get hospitalized for 5 days or less, we will reimburse or give a damayan fund of 5,000 pesos. Kung matagal na araw kayo na hospital, we will extend a higher amount of 10,000 pesos. Simply present your hospital receipts after we validate everything. May it be a burial benefit or a hospital benefit you are availing, we will give it to you after we have validated all the documentary requirements. Other benefits are the education reward recognition, wherein if you have beneficiaries who are making good in school, you just submit the report card, and if you are the top among those who have submitted, ganun kadali lang po yun, your beneficiary is given a 5,000 recognition reward. All your transactions in KSK Co-op, all your money transactions are recorded, and you can check regularly in www.kskcoop.com. You are given a username and a password, and you may opt to change the password after the first time that you entered the member login page. From there, you can see all your transactions, may it be share capital or participation in other projects or programs of KSK Co-op for its members, or even the benefits that you may have availed, or it will tell you that you have not availed of the certain benefits that are provided for each member. Projects for 2001, some of it are ongoing, like this regular webinars. We are currently studying other venture developments, like a professional housekeeping for condos and hotels. This is good for our OFWs who have gained experience and expertise in housekeeping, lalo na for those in Hong Kong or in other parts of the world. Peer-to-peer lending, which we are seriously studying. Prepaid legal services, so that each and every member of KSK Co-op can actually claim and experience legal services. So prepaid legal services, aside from making it available, it should be affordable. And expansion of our food business. How to become a member? First, you attendees of this webinar, you are going through this orientation. It's a pre-membership orientation. You download the forms. It's available in www.kskcoop.com. You fill it up, send it. You may scan it and send it to KSK Co-op, and then do the necessary settlements of share capital and membership fees. There will be a confirmation that KSK Co-op admin should give to you, after which, when you are a full-fledged member, a stock certificate will be issued to you. At the course of your membership, you want to make additional contribution or share capital contribution, that can be accommodated. You just coordinate with your KSK Co-op admin. Okay. Some reminders, these reminders you will also see in the application form. I will forgo discussing that. I would just like to inform you of the current members of the Board of Directors, namely Michael Vincent Benares, a Filipino expat based in Hong Kong, Francisco Colayco, Federico Paragas, a Filipino businessman also based in Hong Kong, Teresa Tata Balbuena, a Philippine-based co-op member. She is actually in Cebu, and another OFW based in Hong Kong, Marites Atentar. Management is taken care of Colayco Foundation. There is a existing management contract between KSK Co-op and Colayco Foundation running on its 6th of the 10th year engagement. Management and administrative team are the following, led by yours truly, and then Amalia Ordas as our finance and admin head, Aristotle Joel Cala, our member affairs officer, Memi Formillas, Ronnie De La Cruz, Gina Soler, and Tess Pascual taking care of the administrative side or operations of KSK Co-op. Contact details are flashed on the screen, or you may check it in www.kskcoop.com. If you are not a member yet and would want to find out about KSK Co-op, the person to email is Joel Cala. His email address is joel@colaycofoundation.com. If you are a member already, the person to email is yours truly through kskcoop@colaycofoundation.com. If you are based in Hong Kong, it is best to coordinate directly with our Hong Kong satellite office headed or manned by Ms. Tess Pascual. Our text hotline, 0917-853-7333. So that, ladies and gentlemen, completes the orientation about KSK Co-op. We have ample time to accommodate your questions, and we will be happy to answer them. In closing, we just want to say this and put this in the proper context. In 2004, when we came together, less than 200 people, that was the beginning for us in KSK Co-op. We have kept together the past 6 or 7 years, and we believe that is progress as we have continued on and stayed on consistently in our desire to have a vehicle or an entity to provide opportunities for our members. We can smell success because we see everyone doing their best to work together with their KSK Co-op to just meet that, for us to meet our targets and eventually contribute to our financial well-being. This is our rallying cry. The projects, the programs, our desires, our goals can all be met. Kayang-kaya, basta't sama-sama. Maraming salamat po, at the room is now open for your questions. May they be through chat, or if you want us to hear your voice, you can use your microphone if they are available.